Happymailqueen. Today I have a Creative Mojo Studio design team project. I have been making some ornaments. I bought a 4-foot tree, white iridescent pre-lit tree from Michael's, and it arrived a few days ago, and I have it set up. I'm still waiting for some ornaments, but since I can't seem to go to the store, I've been buying everything online, and they just recently canceled the ornaments that I had ordered. I guess they're out of stock. I don't know, my transaction went through, but anyway, that's another story. So anyway, I've been making ornaments because I have peppermint in the brain, you guys. My tree, my white tree, is going to be a peppermint candy cane themed. I've always wanted to do that. And okay, so let me go ahead and share what I made. Now, I did use a few elements here from her store. I used this clay peppermint swirl candy, and this is the pink and red one, really pretty. And I don't have any more of these, but I did create something with the snowflake bottle cap. So yes, they're all gone. And also my favorite snowflake gems, I'm out too. And then I only have 2 more of these holiday charms, and I have the reindeer left. So yeah, let me go ahead and share what I created. So I wanted to make some peppermint lollipops, and I was inspired by put some bling on it. She made these foam lollipops a few months ago, and it was on my to-do list, so I thought, what better, time to do it than Christmas. So here I created my peppermint. Isn't it cute? So the only thing different that I did was the red, this part here is actually felt, because I didn't have a nice pretty red, I don't think I even have any red foam. And I didn't have the foam adhesive, the adhesive backed foam. So what I did was I used my Wandy foam, which is the super thick foam. I have this felt, and so I just I cut strips of this and the foam, and I glued them together, and then I rolled it. I put glossy accent. I just kind of followed the white and did the swirl with the glossy accent, and then I used my diamond dust, this one right here. I think I got this on Amazon a while ago, like years ago, and I have so much of it, and I never really used it that much, so I went ahead and decorated both sides, and so they look like sugar crystals, so love how that looks. And then I have this ribbon from Daiso, and it's this grosgrain ribbon, and it's so pretty, and I love it because it's double-sided, and it's just one of the most easiest ribbon to work with, and it's like a no fuss kind of ribbon, and they come out really cute. So I did that, and then I put a couple of jump rings and hung the charm from that pack, the charm pack. And then I used, so for the top right here, all I did was I made a hole with my tool right here, this pokey tool from Dollar Tree. And then I poked a hole in there, and then I used these 10mm screw pins that I got from Amazon. I'll see if I can put the links for you guys. And I put a little glossy accent on the pin itself, and then I just screwed it on, like I twisted it to go inside the little hole that I made, and that's it. And it's nice, it stays. And then I just used some eyelash trim that I have in my stash. So, and then of course I just glued Sorry, I just glued the these straws. I just cut them in half. And so I made that. So I just used the different charms that was in my design team package. So here's the one with the Christmas tree charm. Sorry, let me just show you the charm because it's kind of hard to see here. And it hangs nicely. I'll show you a clip. I did put it on my tree, and I'll show you how it looks. And here's the next one here. This one also has a tree. I made 6 of them altogether. I think I was looking at some peppermint lollipop ornaments on Amazon, but it was not in stock, and I had to wait, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna try to make it. And I just used what I had, so it worked out. I love this so much. I need to get some more. And yeah, just check her store because she does restock on things, and I know that she is currently working on the next design team kits. So yeah, check frequently because I know that's going to be in there. And what's nice about it now is she's also doing subscriptions, so that way, you know, you know you're going to get one every month. So that's kind of cool. I love that she's doing that. So those are the peppermints. And then I even tried with a wreath. So I made this one. It's a little over the top, but isn't that cute? And I can remove this. It's not like, you know, glued on there. I just used the string here, the eyelash trim. And as you can see there, I used a little peppermint, the clay pieces. Yeah, so don't be afraid to use that. You know, it's not just for shakers. You can actually use them for little embellishments. So I did that one that I made. And the wreath that was inspired by Strawberry Creams 39. Is that right? Jen. She was making a bunch of wreaths, and I remember I had, and I wanted to use my stash, you guys. I had just the plain wreaths. They look like this, and they're the wired wreaths that I guess, you know, you can unravel these, but I just went around, I think 3 times to create my circle. And then I also wound, just like what Jen did, to just give it, you know, a little more fluff. I took my, oh yeah, the eyelash trim, this. Now Jen used a trim from the Dollar Tree. This was the only one I had in my stash, so I just wrapped it around. I think I only cut about 20 inches, and that was enough to create this, the little hanging section. And then, so I just started around and around, and I think I went twice, or not even twice. Yeah, I think twice. And then it was enough to make it fluffy. And then I just added the peppermint. And then this bow right here. My tree that I'm working on is just going to be white, red, a little bit of silver and gold. So mostly silver, I think. So there's that I made with a snowflake from, I think this is from Hobby Lobby. There's that pretty, oh my gosh, I love that. And I'm out. But since my tree is just red and, you know, it's a peppermint tree, I had to keep it red. And then I'm setting up a tree also in my craft room, so I made a pink one. So there's that, and as you can see, there is that bottle cap. Is it focusing, you guys? There you go. There is that bottle cap, really pretty, right? And it's so simple. Look, it's just 3 elements. That's it. And then here's one that is 3 colors. And then I added the snowflakes in between the caps. So can't wait to put this on my tree for my craft room. And I bought from Target, they had the little deer. I was able to get it online. Luckily, it didn't sell out. I was trying to get the figurine too, but that sold out. So, but I got the ornaments, the little deer, pink, and I might have gotten a couple of this mint color. Hopefully it's the same mint. So these 2 are gonna go on that tree. Then you guys, and then let me make room here. I decided to create a snowman or a snow girl, and I hope you can see that. Let me just put it down. Isn't she cute? So what I did was I did the wreath that I made using this wire. I guess it's like a wire garland, and I can't remember if I got it at Hobby Lobby. I've had it in my stash for a while. So anyway, I did just 2 wreaths to make the snowman shape, and then it's a snow girl. I put again one of these, and I just tilted it a little bit so she looks like she's wearing a little fascinator. I thought it was so cute. And then I just put a candy cane. I couldn't find my button mittens. I was gonna put mittens on her arms, but oh well. And so instead I just put a big snowball there. It's a pom-pom. Used again 2 of the bottle caps just for her neck there, kind of like a little bow almost. And then I just hung these 2 little dangly pom-poms, and I thought it came out so cute. So yeah, I'm going to be putting that up on my tree. So that is it. That is my project for you guys. I hope you guys liked what you saw, and I'll leave the link to the products that I've used, products that you can find at Creative Mojo Studio. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.